I mean, there's really no higher calling than teaching, right? You are truly shaping the young people of North Carolina who are going to do everything in this state. Our historic sites and museums and all the things, we view them as tools for you as you are teaching your students.
I think I read somewhere that a teacher who teaches for 30 years can impact over 14,000 students. Our students need to know how amazing our state is. I think in order to protect it and then also spread the knowledge of our state generation upon generation, we need to preserve our cultural history and our natural history forever. And so all of these great resources we're going to get and all of the lesson plans and things we can take back and then spread. And by spreading that ripple across not only North Carolina, but the whole United States, is just going to be amazing for our state.
You are in for a treat. This home is 135 years old.
In 1925,
They did an inspection because North Carolina had just recently passed a public health sanitation law. And you know what the rating was?
71. And so it was in
Bad shape. An interior designer from Wilmington came in. What you see here in the main entrance hall is the result of his work.
So Gustav and Selma Strauss were the original owners of this stunning chandelier. And they were a very powerful and political Jewish family. And they actually were in Germany during the time of World War II. So their daughter was able to escape Germany and then made it to the mountains of North Carolina in Asheville. And so she spent many, many years there and was overwhelmed by the kindness of the people of North Carolina.
I also think it's important for us who, by the end of our week, might be emotionally empty to get a chance to connect with nature or find something we're passionate about and get plugged into something around us, bringing that love to students that I work with, and also encouraging staff or other people in my community, hey, this is what's available for us. Let's take advantage of this.
If you go to the state capitol grounds, there are many statues and monuments, but none that center the African American experience in North Carolina. So there was really a need for a space like Freedom Park. People from all across North Carolina came together to advocate, raise money for this site's construction. The site itself was constructed by Holt Brothers Construction. Tori and Terrence Holt, they were born in Gibsonville, North Carolina. This space was really a community-centered project.
This teacher ambassadorship is an amazing opportunity for me to learn and grow in my profession. Super excited to meet and collaborate with people that are kind of like-minded educators. I think teachers are lifelong students, so kind of getting the opportunity not only to learn from the DNCR experiences, but that group of educators that want to learn alongside. We can share, swap stories, what works, what doesn't, as we enjoy this journey together.